A lot about the booming housing market nationwide and, of course, right here at home in Northeast Ohio. One of the big reasons this is happening, the low interest rates.
But Katie, experts are now hoping things calm down soon before they spill into other areas of the economy. Meg Shaw is live this morning with more. And Meg, part of this comes down to supply and demand.
Exactly. You know, when this pandemic started, not very many homes were being built. So, of course, that made the supply pool much smaller. And, of course, that made the demand go up. So not only are we still trying to balance that supply demand seesaw, we're now worrying about these low interest rates. And the question is, when are they going to go back up?
By now, you've probably talked to someone about the housing market.
You can list your house, and within a few days, you have dozens of showings, and then you end up with multiple offers above asking. I mean, that's a pretty common story of what we're seeing right now.
But chances are you've also asked, are we heading for another crash? That question is top of mind for many industry and financial experts.
There's less concern about a housing market crash than there was last time around when we had the housing market collapse that helped spark what we had about a decade ago.
Dr. Bill Costes, a professor of economics at Cleveland State, tells us circumstances are different this time around. And now the debate has become what can be done to prevent a crash from happening.
And when those interest rates go up, that raises the total cost of financing a home.
And the desire for more spacious homes could come down, in turn driving down demand.
If they wait too long to raise rates or don't raise aggressively enough, inflation expectations could really get settled in.
But economists worry if the Federal Reserve overreacts to high home prices and raises interest rates too early, that it could stunt recovery in other areas of the economy.
And that's the fear, is that once expectations of higher inflation settle in, it's going to be a lot harder to bring inflation back down.
The tricky part, with rising COVID rates and businesses still clawing their way back, it's hard to tell how much longer this could last.
So many variables out there that are in play, and they could go, in a variety of directions.
Now, other economists are calling on the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates to help renters, because rising home prices means higher rent, which of course could pose a lot of problems for lower income families, contributing to homelessness, an issue that many cities are already dealing with. Reporting live, I'm Meg Shaw, News 5.
And another